Well, hello viewers. I'm gonna attempt to make a little illustration of this King power box, Turnigy power box, because it's, if you read the manuals for it, it's not that simple. There is no illustration where to put these little weird wires here with 3 connectors on each end and 1 cable, or 3 cables as in 1 cable. I'm gonna try to illustrate that for you, so it's gonna be real easy to set it up. And for that, I'm gonna use 3 servos, and that assembles your aileron, and your rudder, and your elevator. And actually, it is pretty simple. I'm gonna plug in the battery right here. Just turn the power on. Just put the battery in and wait for it to bind. To find the transmitter, and there it goes. I'm just going to lift it off the table here so you can see all the servos is moving, and you can of course see that much from this distance, so I'm gonna give you a close-up of it and then give a little explanation on how it's set up, because these cables on with these 3 plugs in each end, that is actually just plugged into the signal wire for each plug. But I'm gonna give you a close-up and show it how it's done. Alright, I'm gonna keep this real short and simple for you. You can see that I have used one of the 3 cables, or one of the 2 cables with 3 connectors in each end, and that goes to your rudder, your elevator and your aileron port. And 1 cable, the ordinary cables here, to my bind and battery port. You can also use that, for example, with your throttle channel, so that you control your throttle channel and you power up the receiver with that cable. And that is just a matter of putting your cables into the right ports on the other end, up here. So you need your rudder, and that is the black one. I'm just gonna take the black one and put into channel 4, like that. And the elevator is the next one. And last but not least, of course, your ailerons. And you're actually done in this end now. And then you're gonna use your servos and put into the other ports on this side, on 1, 2 and channel 4. And I have already done that. It can't be more simple. And then it actually just works like this. Just gonna put the power cable in, and you can also use either one. It just needs to be the same channel. For example, if you use channel 3 on your throttle, it of course needs to be channel 3 in the power unit as well. But I'm just going to put it in channel 8 just to power up the system, and then turn my transmitter on and put some power on this baby here, like that. You can see now it's bound as well, and I'm gonna put all the servos up here so you can get a nice clear view. You see all the servos is functioning. Actually, they're not. And that is because, like put that into channel 3. It of course needs to go to channel 2, like that. And now it's supposed to work like a charm. Oh yeah. Also it was going crazy. Alright people, I hope that little illustration was nice and simple for you all. 2 cables, 6 channels, that's actually pretty clever thought out. So you don't need a lot of bird's nest to lie around in your airplane and bump it all up for you. But you can also follow me at rctv.dk. That's all for you Danish people out there who would like to see some more of RC stuff, and that's of course in Danish. I also have a YouTube channel that is Sandy Toys. That's my name on YouTube. But I don't do much at YouTube just now. That's because I have the Danish channel. But you can follow me there and you can ask me questions there if there's some questions to be asked on this systems. But thank you for watching for now, and have a nice time.